Hi TPM, learners, staff, management. It's lovely to be back. It's Lynn again from What If You Can. I'm absolutely thrilled that I've been asked to be involved in your brand new mental health initiative, Making a Splash. I think it's a fantastic tool for you all. And so I'm going to make a series of videos, one for each aspect of Splash. But I thought I'd start today by saying a quick hello and explaining, I suppose, a little bit about what Making a Splash is about. It's about resilience, learning some tricks and tools to help you through your life. There's lots of setbacks in life. Life, unfortunately, isn't straightforward. You know, we meet many challenges along the way. And having resilience helps us to know that we can actually handle those challenges and the difficulties and the hardships in our lives. But the great news is, resilience is something that everyone can have. It's not just some of us. It's a bit like a muscle, and you can build it and make it really strong. And so Making a Splash will help you do that. And the videos I'm going to do will have different aspects. We'll focus on different aspects of things that you can do. And don't forget, last year I made, I think about 6 videos on lots and lots of other things, tips and tricks for helping your mindset and helping you feel better in difficult situations. So resilience, it's the ability to recover quickly from when life gets difficult and adapt to new situations and to keep moving forward. You probably, we've heard the always look on the bright side. And yeah, sometimes it's not that easy when you're actually facing a difficult situation. But it's to look for the right support. It's to try to keep that positive mindset, to look for the opportunities in these setbacks. And it might mean that you do something different. You might need to take risks. You might need some new ideas. And certainly that's where friends, family, TPM, the support in TPM can be really, really helpful. Because very often we need a shoulder, don't we? And we need to bounce some ideas off people. Also having a positive view of yourself, your self-image, your confidence in your strengths and abilities, understanding yourself, knowing yourself, being able to plan for the future and make realistic plans. It's great to dream and to have massive dreams, and there's no reason why those dreams cannot come true. But we need to be realistic about time span, and it's great to have those regular reviews on your plans of where you're going in life and what you want. And to be able to manage your time effectively. We all get the same 24 hours in a day, but many of us use them very differently. And then we say haven't got time. It's your priorities in life, isn't it? It's what's important and what you need to focus on and your time when you're planning. And also problem solving is a really good skill. It's a great skill that can be used in any aspect of your life, but it's part of resilience and it's looking for the solution. Rather than focusing on the problem, it's accepting, there's an issue here. How can I solve it? What's a great way of getting out of this situation? What different solutions are there available? And then another part of resilience is communication, having really good communication skills and to be able to explain, especially when you need support, to be able to ask for that support. I think very often we think we should just sort everything ourselves. But we all need others. We're social beings, we're social creatures, and we can learn from others. Somebody else will have been there before you. And we can learn from other people's mistakes. You don't have to make the same mistakes. But resilience is also about having them tools, having that tool bag that you can pull out any time in your life. So Making a Splash will set you up for the rest of your life with lots and lots of skills, knowledge, and little tricks that you can do to get through the difficult times in your life. Let's all start building that resilience muscle while we're making a splash. Look forward to working with you, TPM. See you soon.